Hello everyone, it's me again, Teacher Lily at Happy Class Center. Today, let's learn about letter F, sound fish, fish. A fish can swim. Fork, fork. The fork is pink. Fan, fan. Fan makes me cool. Farm, farm. I see cows on the farm. Now, let's do a quiz. Everyone, let's look at two pictures here and show me which picture is fish. Fish. Good job. This one is fish. Fish. And that one is fork. Fork. And the next one, let's show me which picture is farm. Farm. That's very good. Now say farm. Farm. And the last one, what's this? Good. Fan. Fan. Now let's review. Everyone, let's say fan. Fan is a fan. Farm. Farm is a farm. Fork. Fork is a fork. Fish. Fish is a fish. Thank you for listening. See you next video.